So it was 4th April 2020. Entire nation, entire world was locked down. Everybody was sitting at their homes. Nobody knew what to do. Somebody was like, "Oh my God, we have to stay at our home." Somebody was like, "Oh my God, we have to be at our home now. What do we do now?" But some people thought that no, we should do something. The doors of our homes are closed. The nation is locked, but our minds are open. The internet is there. So one young lady thought that why shouldn't we do something? Do something to explore talent. Because see, we couldn't have live stages, we couldn't have live audience, but we could do something. Thank you so much, Pranay. But we could do something to showcase the talent. So that very moment, on the midnight of 4th April 2020, she called another friend of hers, saying that, "Hey, listen, can we do something? Can we do something? Can we do something for the talent? Can we do something? Can we do something which would give platform to talented people?" And they said yes. So both of their enthusiasm went to heights, and then yes, yeah, some people are happy playing PUBG at home, yes. But these two people thought of doing something out of the way. And yes, they came out with Talentiers. Talentiers was a talent which could do anything, any talent could be performed of any age. So Talentier season one came, in which only people with special needs could come and showcase their talent. And it was only live based on Insta and Facebook. Then yes, one winner was announced, and I'll tell you about that winner soon. Then came the second season. Second season was for anybody and everybody from any country, any place, any age, be it special needs or mainstream youth, anybody. And it was also live based. Then came season three, and season three was the game changer. Season three was the game changer. Yes, singing and dancing alone are not talents. You're right, Selvi. They are not only the talents. Talent can be anything. It can be cooking. It can be talking. It can be storytelling. It can be dancing. It can be skating. It can be you want okay. Talent टैलेंट किसी भी प्रकार का हो सकता है सिर्फ नाचना नहीं सिर्फ गाना नहीं सिर्फ बोलना नहीं खाना बनाना भी एक टैलेंट है स्टोरी सुनाना भी एक टैलेंट है और आप लोगों के सामने बोलना भी शायद से एक टैलेंट है और इतनी गर्मी में खड़े होकर ढेर सारी बातें करना भी एक टैलेंट है बट यस आई एम वेरी हैप्पी that you all are here on this platform listening to us and yes I'm very happy with your comments and everything so yes then came Talentiers Season 3, which was called as Talents Unmasked Season 3. It was not only like based, it was not only post based, or it was not only sharing based. It was just like any other reality show. It was on judges basis, like we see in Dance India Dance, or like we see in India's Got Talent, Indian Idol. We have the jury, we had jury there itself. So we had the real jury to find out the real talent. So before we move forward, I have the honor, I have the honor to call upon our chief guest. And that person, I can't stop telling you about him. He's a miracle man. He is the most unique person I have heard about till date. He is the person who has been famously known as the celebrity doctor. He is a visionary, a healer, a humanitarian, and he's also inspiring, and he's also a well-known health and beauty expert. His clients are not only as common people. His clients are Salman Khan, John Abraham, Amisha Patel, Priyanka Chopra, Subhash Ghai, and the list doesn't stop. It just goes on and on and on. He was also recently awarded with honorably honorary doctorate in Ayurveda and medicine. He does all types of beauty treatment, and the plus point is it's only Ayurvedic. There is no chemical use, nothing. And plus, he can tell you about your face, about your dark circles only by checking your pulse. Can anybody in this world do that? I never knew about it. And adding on to it, he also did a free picnic for visually impaired girls, in which Varun Dhawan was there, who sponsored it, who was also part of it. The Sony CID team was also there. And plus, he has also organized beauty pageant shows called as Princess India. It's for only visually impaired girls, only from India. And yes, you know what is the best part is? We have a winner of that show also with us. I'll tell you about her later on. Let's keep the excitement building. Let's create this thing. And then he's also coming up with Princess World, not only India, Princess World, which was about to happen in Dubai during this March, but due to the circumstances, it has been postponed. So, and plus, if you have any issues, any stress issues, or any beauty issues, you can contact him on his Facebook and Insta page. We'll be telling that soon. So before that, let me have the honor, let me have the privilege to call upon Dr. Samir Mansoori live on the screen with us. So, Dr. Samir Mansoori, I can see him on our screens. He should be coming soon. So before he comes, da-da-da-da, before he comes, let me call upon the stage whom I was talking about, the one who was the winner of Princess India. Are you excited? The winner of Princess India, the showstopper in FBB, the RJ in Radio Uran, and a lot more. So, shall we call upon? Can I have the honor to call upon on the stage? Oh my God! Before I could call upon the winner of Princess India, Dr. Sameer Mansoori is already here. So, Dr. Sameer Mansoori, please give me this privilege to call you on the screen. Everybody now knows about you, about the miracles you have done, the miracle man, the most unique man in this world, the organizer of Princess India, Princess Dubai, and a lot more. So, here you are on the screen. Welcome, Dr. Sameer Mansoori. You are here live on Facebook on Talenteer's page. We have been waiting for you. And you know what was the plus point? You came exactly when I was about to call Simran that you are not in the stream, and you came. So yes. So
Thank you very
welcome
much.
to,
Thank you.
and I'm so happy. I'm so honored to have you. And when I read about you, I was like, by
Thank you
God,
so much. It's my
I am
pleasure.
calling, I am calling the miracle man on the stage, on the screen. I must say live. Thank you so much for giving me this honor, sir, and thank you so much taking our time to for coming here on Talents Unmasked Grand Finale Season 3. Thank you so much. So before we move ahead, I would like you to just say hi to our audience that yes, you are here. I just because everybody was excited to see you. So just you can just wave hi to them before I call upon the jury members.
Uh, Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Samir Mansoori. How are you?
Oh, people are commenting. Neeraj Saxena saying, "Wow, great!" And we also have people saying, बहुत excited." People are like, "बहुत excited." And then okay, thank you so much, Dr. Sameer Mansoori. You will be on screen with us. Before we go somewhere else, let me, and yeah, Mohit Mudita Dwivedi also says, welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you
So
so
many
much.
people are here to welcome you, sir. So many people are here
Thank you.
welcoming you, clapping, giving hearts.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
So now I have the honor to call upon another jury member whose name is Shiba Khan. She's from Singapore. Yeah, we have gone international from Singapore. She's the leader of Grassroots, auditor of People's Association Party, member of Singapore Fashion Runway for people with special needs, as well as for mainstream youth. And then she's also a mother of three, out of which two elderly are the ambassador of National Library Board, and the younger one is of 5 years with special needs. Apart from all these things, she has a lot to do, and still she is here with us live on Talentier Space Talents Unmasked Season 3 Grand Finale. So let me have the honor to bring Shiba Khan on the screen, and she's here.
Hello.
Shiba, if you could just
Hi,
say
Abhishek.
hi to
Yeah.
everybody.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
People are giving lots of love to all of
Thank
us,
you so much.
and and Again, Rimi Chawla is saying hi to Dr. Sameer Mansoori. We have so many fans of Dr. Sameer Mansoori out here. And then Mohit is here saying welcome Shiva.
Yeah,
Great
hello.
moment. So many people here. Wow. It seems as if we are here together. It doesn't seem as if we are doing it online. It's
Yeah.
like being live. Very lively audience. Thank you so much, people. You are being great. Thank you. So now I have the honor to call our another jury member who is a communication for development practitioner and diversity and inclusion enthusiast. He is a postgraduate in development communication from AJK MCRC and Jamia Millia Islamia. He has been conferred gold medal in both of his graduation, post graduation securing rank 1 in respective universities. Wow, this man is great. Rank 1 in post graduation, graduation also, that's good. And then he's currently a part of diversity team at the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group and is a core team member for KSF and It Gets Better India. He will be judging the contest today. Actually, he has already judged. So, yes, let me have the honor to call upon the stage Mr. Akshay Tyagi. And he's live there with us on the screen. Hi, Akshay. Hi, Akshay. Welcome on board. Hi, Akshay. Are you there?
Can you see me?
Hello, everybody. Can you see Akshay?
Yes, now I think yes. Namaskar everyone. Today is indeed a magical day after almost 2 months of extreme hard work. We were extremely happy to see all the talented entries which came from across the globe, and it we had a tough time. You guys gave us really very tough time to judge all these entries, and I'm so excited for today. And thank you, Abhishek, for doing a wonderful job in this time of extremeness where we really don't know where we are and what are we up to. These talented people who have made this show possible, Simran, Sudhanshu, everything. And today I'm so happy that we are able to conduct this online version of this talent years, and we are finally are at the finale. So extremely happy, and I would like to thank Shiba as well, particularly because she was extreme, like a very great support throughout.
Yeah, we both work
Thank you
together.
everyone.
Yeah, actually, we both work together.
Wow. So before we move forward, I would request any one of you from the jury just to call Dr. Sameer Mansoori once again. I don't know, he has gone offline. However, till the time you do that, Simran, you can do that. I can see somebody there. Okay, no, not yet. Okay, no worries. One of you please call Dr. Sameer Mansoori online. Till the time, I'll call upon the another jury member who have been working with you and is also the founder of Talentiers. She is the winner of Princess India. She was the showstopper in FBB. She was the radio jockey in Radio Udan, and she has done a lot more. And right now also she is working for a voice app. I'll just tell you about it. She's she's working for a startup in which they make voice enables app which is called as Visio Apps Technology. So she's working on the same and she'll be the user experience architect for the same. So she's doing a lot. I can't even, write down the entire thing. So before I say anything, let me call her on the stage and let her introduce herself. Okay, so Simran, I believe you're ready to come on the stage on the screen, and here you go. Before I could call Simran on the stage, she left. No worries. She'll come soon. And Simran. No worries. Simran, come. People are waiting for you. Okay, so Dr. Sameer Mansoori is here. I'm glad he's here. We'll add him to the stream. And while I called him,
તારો perfect આવે છે.
Simran went to talk. No worries.
તારો perfect આવે છે.
So before Simran talents, he's the fantastic. So I think this person is a little different, little crazy, and very much passionate. And he has got his articles during lockdown in many newspapers also. And he was the one who made me understand that yes, the world is closed, the doors are closed, the nation is locked down. But yes, our minds are open to explore. So yes, now we have on the stage Sudhanshu Khurrana.
So, hello.
Hi Sudhanshu, hi, dear music
Hi.
producer, the Casio player, and dear organizer. We were wondering where has your organizer gone, your co-organizer, Simran Chawla.
She's coming right now.
Okay, she's coming. So till the time we wait for her, you will sing something for us.
Actually, I am not good at singing.
But you make music, but the person who makes music, I think, can sing a little, right? Okay, so okay, no, don't worry, we won't let you sing because Simran is here with us.
Okay.
So Simran, everybody was waiting for you. I think you are a very, very special guest that you have made us wait so much. And here you go. So now we have Shiba Khan, Akshay Tyagi, Sudhanshu, Dr. Sameer Mansoori, and Simran Chawla on the screen with us.
Hi,
Dr. Sameer
everyone.
Mansoori is, so the people who have joined right now, I would like to tell them, Dr. Sameer Mansoori is our honorable chief guest. He is a miracle man. He is the most unique man in this entire world. He has treated many, many, many celebrities, John Abraham, Salman Khan, Amisha Patel, Priyanka Chopra, and the list goes on and on and on. And then we have Akshay Tyagi with us, who is right now working with Lalit Suri Group of Hospitality. Then we have Shiba Khan here, who is from Singapore, who is the leader of Grassroots, and she's the auditor of members, People's Party Association, and a lot more. And then we have Sudhanshu, the music producer, and he's a little shy on singing. And then we have the Princess India winner, Simran Chawla. And as I told you all, Dr. Sameer Mansoori is the person who organized Princess India. Now we have the organizer of Princess India and we have the winner of Princess India live with us. So Simran, I think nobody can welcome Dr. Sameer Mansoori better than you. So I would kindly request you to welcome him your way. So the screen is all yours.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Abhishek. And thank you all the audience for being patient. And, I know you're very excited. I've been seeing your comments. So thank you so much. And I really am honored today to welcome Dr. Sameer Mansoori, who actually made my dreams come true. I mean, I always wanted to do something in entertainment, in beauty industry, in fashion industry, and he was the one who organized Princess India. So I'm really honored. I'm very pleasure. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. I would like to thank and welcome our jury members, Shiba Khan and Akshay Tyagi, who have been working so hard day and night to finalize the winners. It was so tough, and I know that like it was very difficult in finalizing the winners. So thank you so much, and I welcome you all. I wish all the best to all the participants. Stay tuned, and I would like Abhishek to take over and announce top 13 participants that we have of Talents Unmasked. Also, we will be announcing 3 Facebook stars, 3 Instagram stars, 3 lucky draw winners, and we have 3 consolation prizes. Winner, first runner-up, and second runner-up. So we have like 15 total prizes for all of you. So stay tuned, and we have so many amazing performances coming out there. So just wait, and Abhishek, you can take over and announce the top 10 participants, top 13
Thank.
participants of Talent
No, no,
Sunrise.
I'll announce top 10 plus top 3. So it will make it
Okay.
13. Okay.
No.
Okay,
Announce
so
top 13.
as you
Yes.
say, Princess India, as you say. So thank you for being on screen. I'll just send
Yeah.
everybody back screen and let me take over the screen for the time being.
Yes.
Yeah. Sure.
Dear audience, stay tuned. While I'm the only person who will be on the screen, don't go anywhere. I hope I didn't remove myself. Oh, yes, I didn't remove myself from the screen and I am here live in front of you. So, guys, are you excited for the top 13? Are you excited? I am, and so you should be. And plus. Before I announce this, let me tell you, we have lucky draw winners also. We have Instagram stars, we have Facebook stars, we have a lot to announce. So stay tuned. So shall I start? Shall I build up the music? Dun 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 dun. Okay, so the top entries go like this. The first top entry is entry number 43, and the name is Kanya Rupesh Nayak. And then we have entry 104, Shruti Maharana. And if you could just, dear top 13 people, if you could just mention yourself in the comments that yes, I am this one, I am the top 13 person talent. So entry number 43, Kanya Rupesh Nayak, are you here? Kanya Rupesh Nayak, are you here? Are you here? Dear Kanya Rupesh Nayak. Okay, let's move forward. Entry 104, Shruti Maharana. Can I have Shruti Maharana on the comment section? Shruti Maharana. If she's not there, at least we can congratulate her on the comments. So, dear guys, please clap. I know you can't clap, but you can at least put the clap emoji, you can put the like emoji, you can put the heart emoji. You can't do anything you want. So, please go ahead, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Oh yes, we have Rupesh Nayak. Oh yes, comment karna bhi talent. Oh, thank you. So we have Rupesh Nayak, entry number 43 here. Very nice. Thank you so much for showing up. Then we have entry number 104, Shruti Maharana. Thank you for the clapping, Vibhu Chaudhary. Thank you so much. Then we have entry number 114, Sri Lakshmi KU. Then we have, yes, Kanya Rupesh Nayak. We know you are here and everybody is congratulating you. Thank you for being here. Then we have entry 126, Shringa Kiran. Entry 126, Shringa Kiran, are you there? We are waiting to congratulate you. Then we have entry 133, Diya Rajesh Chauhan. Then we have entry 134, Sneha Shah. We have entry 170, Vaishnavi Kumari. Vaishnavi Kumari, are you here? Are you here somewhere in the comment section? Then we have entry 182, Abhishek, which is not me. I'm also Abhishek. If people who don't know me, I'm Abhishek Kamboj and I'm your host for the evening. Right now, I'm announcing top 13 participants from which one will be the winner. So stay tuned. And then we have entry 183, Sankadeep Ghosh. Then we have entry 184, Kirti. Now we have entry 217, Vanya Malhotra. Vanya Malhotra, Abhishek, Sankadeep Ghosh, anybody here? We want to see you. We want to congratulate you. Namaste India, namaste to you. Vaishnavi Kumar is here. Okay. Entry number 170, Vaishnavi Kumar is here. Vaishnavi Kumar, please, everybody, congratulate Vaishnavi Kumar. She's by the name of Namaste India. Oh my God. We got entry number 182, Abhishek. Abhishek Krishna Dhyani. Thank you so much for coming here on the comment section. Congratulations. And you never know who could be the winner. Oh, yes, we are getting all the entries out here. We have Sringa Kiran, entry number 126, commenting right here. by the name of Remya Sunil Chinu. Hi, thank you so much for commenting. Then we have entry number 217, Vanya Malhotra. Vanya Malhotra, Vanya Malhotra, are you there? Please comment so that we could congratulate you, so that people know where are you. And then we have entry number 218, Bhumika Burman Mukherjee. Yes, I can Bhumika Burman Mukherjee. I can repeat names. So it's Kanya Rupesh Nayak, Shruti Maharana, Sri Lakshmi, Seethal Krishna, Shringa Kiran, Diya Rajesh Chauhan, Sneha Shah, वैष्णवी कुमारी, अभिषेक, पार्टी अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Abhishek, Sankadeep Ghosh, Kirti, Vanya Malhotra, Bhumika Burman, and yes, the list is here. So congratulations to all the top 13, and you know one is the winner. So yes. So let's move forward with the performances. I know you all are here to get entertained by some good performances, and here I am to bring a good performance in front of you. So all you have to do is stay tuned. And now I have the honor to call the person whose name is Mohit Dwivedi. Because usually I'll tell you what exactly this person does. We all talk about problems, right? Thank you for congratulating Vibhu to all of them. So we all talk about problems. We all have debates on daily basis about this, about that. But we come back home with nothing, no solution. But this guy takes up the real issues. This guy talks about the real things. This guy talks about the real problems in India, be it dwarfism, rapes, rape victims, people who stammer, prostitutions, and a lot more. And his poems and stories inspire people. His stories inspire people to change their mindsets. He has done a lot many shows on Sahitya Aaj Tak, Kavya by Amar Ujala, and recently his very popular short film is that yes, I stammer, हाँ मैं अकलाता हूँ on YouTube. And he was also called there as a guest speaker in the national conference by the Indian Stammer Association. And this guy, I'm sure within 3, 4, 5, 6, how many minutes he does, he will change our mindsets. So ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to call upon the stage Mohit Dwivedi. Mohit, get set, get ready, and you are here.
Hey, hi. Hello, how are you?
Mohit, hi, I'm good. So the thing is, I think you want to interact with the audience directly. So shall I just go backstage and relax, and you'll
Yeah,
take it
sure.
over?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So here
No
you
issue.
go. The stage, the stage and the screen is all yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello all, this is Mohit Mudita Dwivedi, a storyteller. और आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ एक लेटर। तो हुआ ये कि जब से हमारा लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ है तो हम सब अपने घरों में बैठे हुए, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने में खोए हुए, काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशान थे। तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना खुद को याद दिलाते हुए एक लेटर लिखा जाए। और उस लेटर पे जाने से पहले मैं अपने बारे में आपको बता दूं, मैं एक कहानीकार हूँ, कहानियाँ लिखता हूँ, कहानियाँ सुनाता हूँ, और साथ में एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाता हूँ द मॉडर्न पोइट्स नाम से, जो कि राइटर्स को, स्टोरी टेलर्स को और पोएट्स को स्टेज देती है पिछले 3 सालों से। हम पूरे ऑल ओवर। आप लोगों को आवाज़ आ रही है तो आप लोग कमेंट में एक बार ज़रूर बताएं कि क्या आप मेरी आवाज़ सुन पा रहे हैं साफ। प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन, ताकि क्या आवाज़ क्लियर है मेरी? प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे बताएं। अगर आप लोगों को आवाज़ आ रही तो प्लीज़ मुझे एक बार कमेंट्स में बता दें, ताकि मैं देख सकूं। जो लोग भी लाइव सेशन पे जुड़े हुए हैं, जो भी लाइव सेशन पर हैं यहाँ पर, आप प्लीज़ मेरे को बताइए कि क्या आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है लाउड एंड क्लियर। तो हम प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए। अंशुल, अलंकृता, कुशाग्र, जो लोग भी एडेड हैं, प्लीज़ कमेंट करिए। ओके, सो वापस से आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो मैं आज आपके लिए एक लेटर लेकर आया हूँ, एक ऐसा लेटर जो कि हमने अपने ही लिए लिखा है, यानी मैंने खुद के लिए लिखा है, यानी मैंने आप सब के लिए लिखा है। इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान में इतनी ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी हम लोगों के चारों ओर फैल रही थी कि बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया था कि हम अपने आप को समझें, हम अपने आप को जानें। तो मैं एक लेटर लेकर आया हूँ आप सभी के लिए, जिससे हम कोशिश करेंगे खुद को समझने की, खुद को जानने की। और इस लेटर का टाइटल है डियर मी। डियर मी, कैसे हो तुम? क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में? हाँ, मुझे मालूम है नहीं ठीक हो तुम। तुम्हें पता है जब कुछ भी ठीक नहीं होता है और कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा होता है, तभी ना इंसान के पास बहुत ज्यादा कुछ करने को होता है। क्योंकि जब आप सब हार चुके होते हैं तो खोने को कुछ होता ही नहीं है। तुम्हें याद है वो स्कूल में आप जब 11वीं क्लास में थे और कुछ भी नहीं आता था, लेकिन फिर भी एग्जाम के वक्त जब सब कह रहे थे कि तू फेल हो जाएगा, तू कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, तब क्या तू परेशान था? नहीं ना। तब तूने लड़ाई करी, और तू ऐसा लड़ा कि तूने क्लास में 2nd पोजीशन मारी थी। अबे तू फाइटर है। तब 11वीं का एग्जाम था, आज लाइफ का है। तो क्या हुआ, तू लाइफ में फेल हो रहा है? जाना, लड़ जाकर और हरा दे सबको। वो कहते हैं ना कि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। तो कोशिश करना मेरी जान। ये जो तेरे से दूर हो रहे हैं कि तू असफल है, वो तेरे थे ही नहीं, और उनकी टेंशन बिल्कुल मत ले। जो तेरे हैं ना, वो हर वक्त तेरे साथ रहेंगे। फिलहाल तुझे अपने आप में गौर करना है, अपने आप को समझना है, अपने आप को पहचानना है। और फिलहाल सबसे जरूरी बात है कि तुझे लड़ना है। देख, इस लड़ाई में तू हारेगा तब भी जीतेगा, और जीत गया तो जीत तो है ही है। मुझे पता है कि जाना सबसे खौफनाक नहीं होता। किसी के जाने के बाद ये स्वीकारना सबसे ज्यादा खौफनाक होता है कि वो जा चुका है, और तुम स्वीकार ही नहीं कर रहे हो। तुम मानना ही नहीं चाह रहे हो कि वो जा चुका है। तुम उसकी धुंधली यादों को लेकर अपने साथ बैठे हुए हो। और मियां, यादों के सहारे ना आने वाले कल की तस्वीर नहीं बनती। तस्वीर बनती हैं उन यादों को अपनी ताकत बनाने से। तो जाओ ना, अपनी यादों को हावी मत होने दो। उन यादों को अपनी ताकत बनाओ और अपना सुनहरा भविष्य बनाओ। क्योंकि आज से 30-40 साल बाद आज के दिन के बारे में तुम बता रहे होगे, तो मुस्कुरा रहे होगे इस पल को सोचकर कि अगर मैंने आज हार मान ली होती तो आज जो मैं हूं वो होता ही नहीं। तो सुनना, उठ, मुस्कुरा, लंबी गहरी सांस ले और जाकर दहाड़ दे आसमान में कि हम लड़ेंगे साथी। हम लड़ेंगे साथी अपने लिए, क्योंकि लड़े बगैर जीत नहीं मिलती। तो सुनना, हाथ थाम ले मेरा और आजा, साथ में लड़ते हैं। जीतते हैं या हारते हैं, किसे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? जीतने या हारने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता। फर्क पड़ता है कि हम ढंग से लड़े हैं कि नहीं। तो आजा, फिर लड़ते हैं साथ में, तुम्हारा मैं। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। सो ये था एक खत, एक लेटर हम सभी के लिए जो अपनी लाइफ में लड़ रहे हैं, इस नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में लड़ रहे हैं। काफ़ी लंबा लाइनअप है, तो मैंने ट्राई किया कि इसे मैं बहुत शॉर्ट रखूं। बाकी अगर आप मुझे सुनना चाहते हैं तो द मॉडर्न पोएट्स को फॉलो करिए। आप वहाँ पर मेरी ढेर सारी कहानियाँ, कविताएं सब कुछ सुन सकते हैं। और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूरी टैलेंटियर्स टीम का, सिमरन का, पूरी टैलेंटियर्स ग्रुप का, कि उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया आप सभी के सामने आने के लिए। और सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ऑल द बेस्ट। आप सभी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। एंड थैंक यू सो मच टीम टैलेंटियर्स, थैंक यू सो मच अलंकृता, थैंक यू सो मच सिमरन to giving this platform to me, and I'm looking forward to it. अब वापस अपने होस्ट के पास चलते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच भाई फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी।
थैंक यू सो मच मोहित।
आई होप
मैं
आप
आपसे
सभी
एक
को
चीज
पसंद
सीख
आया
गया
होगा।
हूँ।
जी भाई,
बिल्कुल पसंद आ गया। मैं तो सीख भी गया। मैं ये कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आज से 30-40 साल बाद एक बार मैं मिल लूँ आपसे, फिर वही बात बताऊंगा।
बिल्कुल भाई,
क्योंकि
बिल्कुल।
हार के तो हम जीतेंगे ही, और जीत के तो वैसे ही जीत है।
ठीक है, ये
थैंक
बिल्कुल
यू
भाई।
सो थैंक यू सो मच मोहित, थैंक यू, यू आर
थैंक यू गाइस,
अमेजिंग।
थैंक यू गाइस, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
हाँ, तो कैसा लगा आपको मोहित की बातों बातें सुनकर? Wasn't it motivating? It was very, very, very motivating for me. And I think you can see the energy in me. It's going higher and higher and higher. Because just after, host is like, ghost, sir, डरा दिया. Oh my God. डर गए क्या? कनेक्ट? कोई नहीं, धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएंगे, ठीक हो जाएंगे। मैं एकदम ही आ गया ना। Okay, so as we promised, we are going to announce the Facebook stars, the Instagram stars, and the lucky draw. So what do you want? Do you want me to announce the Facebook star, Instagram star, or do you want me to do the lucky draw first? Tell me. We'll do it accordingly. कमेंट करो, बताओ बताओ क्या करें? यू वांट मी टू डू द लकी ड्रॉ और इंस्टाग्राम स्टार फर्स्ट और फेसबुक स्टार फर्स्ट? प्लीज कमेंट, कमेंट गाइस, कमेंट 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 कमेंट। बताओ बताओ बताओ, नहीं तो मैं अपना राज चलाऊंगा, मैं अपने आप से करूंगा। गाइस कहाँ गए? होस्ट इज लाइक घोस्ट को बोलने वाले, कहाँ गए आप? देख नहीं रहे? फेसबुक लकी ड्रॉ, चलो फेसबुक लकी ड्रॉ नहीं। So basically, it's Facebook star is different, Instagram star is different, and lucky draw is different. So what I'll do is I have my bowl of chits. Facebook star, chalo ठीक है. Two people saying Facebook, so we'll announce the first Facebook star, who is Akkad Bakkad Bombay Bo 90 पूरे. So Facebook star, the first Facebook star winner is entry number 6, and his name is Aman Ram Ragulan from USA. Oh my God! See, we told you we are international. So Aman Ram Ragulan from USA is a 4-year-old boy who showcased his talent of playing piano blindfolded. He got 1171 likes, 1632 shares, and 14453 reaches. So it's like 1171 likes, 1632 shares, and 14,453 reach, and 6.9k views. Congratulations, Aman Ram Ragulan. If you are there watching this, please comment. Oh, you're a you're a 4-year-old little boy, but I'm sure you can use Facebook and Instagram, or at least your parents would be using the same. So moving forward, and yeah, again, please, yeah, congratulate the Facebook star. Moving forward, now we have the Instagram star, and coincidentally, the Instagram star is the real brother of Facebook star, and the talent he showcased was the same. It was, and the name is Raghuram Ragulan, and he is also from USA, obviously, because he's his brother. He's a 6-year-old kid who plays the piano blindfolded. So these two talented brothers, one Facebook star, one Instagram star, is the winner, and the likes he got was 342 and the reach was 430. So please congratulate Facebook and Instagram star. Now it's the time to do the lucky draw. So are you ready for the lucky draw? Shall I get my bowl from down there? पूरा खानदान ही कमाल है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Just give me a moment. Let me get the lucky draw bowl. And here's the bowl. So many chits, around 200. अब क्या करूं? एक चिट नीचे गिरी, कोई नहीं, इसको भी उठाएंगे. So and this is the person for the lucky draw. Let us see who is there. And I'll open it in front of you. And it's entry number 19. Can I have the entry number 19? तोड़ तो हूँ, अरे अरे घर का मम्मी मारेगी मेरी अगर मैंने तोड़ दिया बोल तो. So entry number 19 is the lucky draw winner. I'll keep it in my pocket. If entry number 19, if you're listening to it, if you're online, please tell us so that we could congratulate you. Yay! Now let's move forward. So before we move forward, I would like to sing a song for you. Just one line. मन है ना मेरा. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से के Dun, 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 dun. I hope you liked my song. If you didn't like it, no worries. No worries if you didn't like my song, because the next person I'm about to call is a singer, and he's the winner of Talent Year Season 1. Please don't ruin this beautiful song. No worries, no worries. Next time I'll try to sing better. But before I try to sing better, let me call the singer, a passionate chef, the winner of Talent Year Season 1, the person who has his name in the Asia's Book of Record as the only adult with autism to complete full marathon. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Varun Sawant. And before I call Varun Sawant, let me tell you, we have more lucky draws, more Facebook stars, and more Instagrams on the way. So, Varun Sawant, I'm bringing you on the screen. I can see you all set. So, here you go.
Hello.
क्यों आजकल नींद कम ख्वाब ज्यादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है, कल का फकीर आज दिल शहजादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है, क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा कुमार है, या क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा कुमार है, या वो हो पत्थर के इन रस्तों पे फूलों की एक चादर है, जब से मिले वो हमको बदला हर एक मंजर है, देखो जहां में नीले नीले आसमां तले रंग नए नए हैं जैसे घुलते हुए, सोए से ख्वाब मेरे जागे तेरे वास्ते, तेरे ख्यालों से है भीगे मेरे रास्ते, क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या वो तुम क्यों चले आते हो हर रोज इन ख्वाबों में, चुपके से आ भी जाओ एक दिन मेरी बाहों में, तेरे ही सपने अंधेरों में उजालों में कोई नशा है तेरी आंखों के प्यालों में, तू मेरे ख्वाबों में, जवाबों में, सवालों में, हर दिन चूरा तुम्हें मैं लाता हूँ ख्यालों में। क्या मुझे प्यार है यार, कैसा खुमार है यार, क्या मुझे प्यार है यार, कैसा खुमार है यार। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you so much. I have one request. Varun, can you hear me? Varun, you've gone?
Yes,
Varun.
yes, sir, yes.
Just one request. See, some people were commenting that I am not a good singer. So I want to do one thing with you. I want to say, sing one line of this song with you. Okay? One line of this song with you. Okay. So what line shall we sing? Just tell me. Ooh, which? Just tell me. We'll sing that line together, and then we'll show that we both are good singers. Yeah. Okay, Varun. Whoa, 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 whoa. We'll see. Okay. Which, okay, you. तुम क्यों चले आते हो हर रोज इन ख्वाबों में, छुपके से आ भी जाओ एक दिन मेरी बाहों में.
You sing great.
Hey, great. See, a singer told, but a singer told that I sing great. What else I want? Thank you so much, Varun. Thank you so much, Varun Sawan. Thank you for being there.
Bye, sir.
See,
Bye, sir.
yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
See
sir.
you. Bye.
Good night.
Who said I am a bad singer? I am a very good singer. So Mr. Lakshmi Pati Viswanathan is saying I am very upset with the result. But Mr. Lakshmi Pati Viswanathan, you don't know that we haven't announced all the. Oh, thank you for the thug life. We haven't announced all the Facebook stars and Instagram stars yet. So why are you getting upset? Can I have you on the comments, Mr. Lakshmi Pati Viswanathan? Please, can I request you to come on the comments? Because I am going to announce the next Facebook star. Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan, are you there? We need something. We need your comment. We need your like. We need your presence. Because, yes. Thank you so much for listening to me, Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan. Because, okay, let me make it clear to you. The Instagrams and Facebook stars, we are about to announce three of them. So we had only announced only one Instagram star, Facebook star right now. So that means two are still left. So it could be your son, right? Right, Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan? So without any delay, let me announce the second Facebook star, and he is Dhanushka Lakshmipati from Chennai. So your daughter see, and you are getting upset. Well, this is not good. This is not done, Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan. You didn't listen to the results and you were upset. You are making me upset now. But don't worry. Can we all congratulate Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan's daughter, Dhanushka Lakshmipati from Chennai, who is an 8-year-old girl and who is a passionate dancer. She got 1,143 likes, 186 shares, and 18,484 reach, and 9.1k views. So I hope now, Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan, you are not angry with me. You're not upset. I hope you're fine, Mister. Thank you, thank you. So, can we give a big shout out to Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan's daughter, Dhanushka Lakshmipati? And now I got to announce the Instagram star, the second Instagram star. So, the second Instagram star is Surbhi Kohli from Delhi. She's a young 18-year-old girl who is a passionate singer. So, Surbi, thank you so much, Mr. Lakshmipati Viswanathan. We are very happy that you are happy. So, please, so if you are so happy right now, just share this live video so that your friends can also see, your relatives can also see that you are happy and such a happening program is going on air, on live. So yes, the second Instagram star is Surbi Kohli from Delhi. Surbi Kohli, are you there? Surbi Kohli, are you there in the comments? Surbi Kohli, a young 18-year-old girl who is a passionate singer. She got 211 likes on Instagram. So please congratulate Surbi Kohli. And now it's my favorite time. And you know what's my favorite time? To announce the lucky draw. Let's see who's the lucky one. Now I have the bowl. So this bowl is basically used in microwaves. You can bake cake in this bowl. And I've got it from my mom, but now we are using it for the lucky draw. So let me take out the chit. Oh my God, so many are falling down. Let me pick them up. Such a small bowl. So, and here comes the chit. And oh, I just changed the light so that people enjoy the changes. So now I have got the chit, and the winner is entry number 22. So if anybody knows who is entry number 22, or if anybody knows that, I look like entry number 22. So like this is the winner. Winner. Lucky draw 22, entry number 22. If you can listen to us, if you're watching us, if anybody knows entry number 22, please go ahead and tell them that you are the winner of the lucky draw. So I hope everybody is happy, fine, and enjoying. And now it's the time for another performance. And yeah, before another performance comes, I would like to tell you one thing. You are selected for Odisha. I would like to tell you one thing. Great stories great stories happen with people who are able to tell them. Yes, another person is a storyteller. But the difference is the stories which he tells is from his own life. He's a passionate engineer. He's a passionate storyteller. He is a passionate traveler. So he travels around the world, or maybe around the country. And then, as you all know, everybody finds the art, looks for an art on the stage. So I'm bringing sheer art for you in a form of person on the stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Kushagra Mishra, and you are here with me on the screen. Hi, Kushagra. Welcome
Hi.
on board. So I'll
Thank
just
you.
leave the screen. I'll just leave the screen, and it will be over to you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पोस्ट बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन बहुत ही मजे दिला रहा है, काफी बढ़िया शो चल रहा है और थैंक यू टैलेंट इसके लिए। एक छोटी सी कहानी है, तो शुरू करते हैं। तो जो कहानी है वो शुरू होती है मैक्लोडगंज के मकसू फॉल से, जहाँ मैंने पहली बार बहुत बहुत करीब से देखा, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा से करीब से देखा। तो हुआ कुछ यूं, मैं और मेरा दोस्त मैक्लोडगंज की गलियों में अपनी इंजीनियरिंग की बैक और 4th ईयर की प्लेसमेंट के डर को भुला रहे थे। तभी हमें किसी ने बताया कि वहां पर एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन मकसूद हॉल है, जहां पर हम जाके बढ़िया बढ़िया से नजारे देख सकते हैं। अब हमने भी कहा कि भाई साहब वहाँ है कुछ काम, लेकिन प्रभु का नाम राम 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 राम। तो बस हमने एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सा प्लान बनाया कि हम वहां पर जाएंगे और आराम से नहा धो लेंगे। अब जो भी लोग को पता है कि फॉल क्या होता है, तो उन्हें ये भी पता होगा कि ये अपने गांव का तालाब नहीं है जहाँ पर आप जाके डुबकी मार लेंगे और आराम से सब कुछ बढ़िया बढ़िया तो हो जाएगा। यहाँ अगर आपने डुबकी मारी तो आपकी डुबकी हो जाएगी। तो अब हमें ये बात पता नहीं थी, तो हम वहां जाके हमें ये बात पता लगी। अब मैं अपने दोस्त को देखूं, वो मुझे देखे, मैं उसे देखूं, वो मुझे देखे, और हमने चुपचाप नहाने का सीख नहीं। अब दोनों के अंदर एक चुल रह गई थी कि भाई साहब नहाया तो है नहीं। तो हम उस वॉल से नीचे आ रहे थे और हमने देखा कि भाई साहब नीचे एक मंदिर है और मंदिर के अंदर एक स्विमिंग पूल है। अब स्विमिंग पूल में जैसे ही एंट्री करी, मैंने अपने दोस्त से एक सवाल किया कि ये स्विमिंग पूल कितना गहरा होगा? उसने जवाब दिया कि इतना गहरा होगा, तुम अगर इसमें उतरे तो खड़े हो जाओगे। अच्छा, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। अब आपको बताया था कि वो चुल वाली बात रह गई थी, तो बस वही दिमाग में घूमे जा रहा था। मैंने अपने दोस्त से कहा यार ऐसा करें यहाँ नहा लेते हैं। तो वो मुझे फालतू बोलने लगा। उसने कहा यार तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम वहां देखो नहाए नहीं, अब तुम ये कर रहे हो, वो बोल रहे हो, ये बोल रहे हो। और उसने मुझे पता नहीं क्या क्या बातें। मैंने वो देखा ना था, मैंने उसको साइड हटाया और जाके डुबकी मार ली। अब डुबकी मारते ही मुझे एहसास हुआ कि अब तो भाई साहब ये स्विमिंग पूल जो है उसके मैं दूसरे छोर पे खड़ा हूँ, और मुझे बेवकूफ को ये नहीं पता था कि दूसरे छोर पे पानी ना और ज्यादा गहरा हो जाता है। तो बस अब मैं पानी में खड़ा तो दूर की बात है, डूब भी सही से नहीं पा रहा था। और 5 सेकंड तक डूबने के बाद मुझे एहसास हुआ कि भाई साहब अब तो मौत ना करीब से आ गई। मुझे सामने यमराज अपनी भैंस में दिख चुके थे। वो मुझसे बोल रहे थे कि यार चले क्या, हो गया। उन्होंने मुझसे 2-4 बातें करी, फिर उन्होंने कहा चलो यार दोस्त चलते हैं, अब ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते। मैंने कहा इतना ही रह गया समय, बस चले क्या? तो उनका बेवकूफी करी है तो चलना पड़ेगा। मैंने कहा चलो फिर। बस इतना मैं बोलने ही जा रहा था कि ये आसपास अपने 4 लोग दिखे जो कि मुझे बचाने आ रहे थे। अब मुझ बेवकूफ को बचना भी नहीं आता था, तो मैं उनके ऊपर ही चढ़ गया। अब हुआ कुछ यूं कि अब सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं डूब रहा था, हम 5 लोग मिलकर डूब रहे थे। तो जैसे तैसे हम 5 लोगों को रेस्क्यू टीम द्वारा बाहर निकाला गया। और वो जो 4 लोग थे जो मुझे बचाने आए थे, मुझे ऐसे देख रहे थे मानो क्या ही कर लिया उनके साथ। तो बस यहाँ पर मेरी कहानी समाप्त होती है। बोलिए सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। अब वापस आ सकते हैं। जब तक होस्ट वापस आते हैं तब तक थैंक यू।
होस्ट आ गए हैं, होस्ट बिल्कुल वापस आ गए हैं।
बहुत बढ़िया।
अच्छा कुशाग्र मैं भी गया हूँ बक्सो फॉल। वो वही है ना जहाँ पर नेचुरल स्विमिंग पूल होता है वो?
हाँ,
है ना। किसी ने मुझे बोला था कह रहा तुम्हें घूमना है तो बक्सो फॉल जाओ, बक्सो फॉल। बट ये शुक्र है मैं नहाया नहीं। नहीं तो मैं सुना रहा था आपकी जो कहानी, तो मैं सुनाता हूँ लेके राम राम। थैंक यू सो मच कुशाग्र, यू वर अमेजिंग। यू वर साउंडिंग लाइक बहुत मतलब होता है ना एकदम हिंदी कहानी बढ़िया सुनाने वाले, एकदम फील में चले जाने में एकदम लेके प्रभु का नाम मतलब आई हैव लर्नड दिस थिंग फ्रॉम यू।
थैंक यू।
एंड यू नो ओके, सो देयर इज वन सॉन्ग ऑफ माइन दैट आल्सो स्टार्ट्स लाइक दिस।
अच्छा।
बैठे बैठे बोर हुए हैं, कर रहे हैं कुछ काम, शुरू करो ये रैप लेके कंबोज का नाम। आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। नाम उसी का होता है जो दिन भर करता मेहनत और फिर रात को ना सोता है। तू कहता मुझे चिढ़ा दे बेटा, तू तो कितना मोटा है, तू उनको जाके बोल तू सिक्का मगर ना खोटा है। तू सिक्का मगर ना खोटा है, क्योंकि नीम का पत्ता कड़वा है, या हर कोई सबसे तगड़ा है। आगे का गाना अभी रिलीज करूंगा, नहीं तो फिर सारे सुन लेंगे, फायदा नहीं होगा, ठीक है?
ऐसे इसमें वो भी तो डाल दो ना, बंटाई।
अरे वो फिर टिपिकल हो जाएगा ना, बोल बंटाई क्या बोलती पब्लिक, कुशाल से बढ़िया कोई स्टोरी टेलर होता। मैं तो अगर थोड़े ज्यादा लोग होते ना कमेंट करने वाले, तो पता क्या कहता, मैं कहता कि तुम वर्ड्स लिखो, हम गाना बनाएंगे। बट कोई नहीं, अभी शो कर देते हैं, बट अभी शो काफी ज्यादा टाइम हो गया, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ रहने देता हूँ। ठीक है कुशाल, थैंक यू सो मच, मजा आया। मैं आपसे जरूर बात करूंगा शो के बाद भी, ठीक है? चलो मिलते हैं। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक। अच्छा चिट हटा, ओ सॉरी मैं भूल गया, अभी मैं चिट, ये चिट तभी हटाऊंगा जब मैं दूसरी चिट लगाऊंगा। तो अब मैं ये चिट हटा देता हूँ, धीम तना ना ना धीम तना धीम तना धीम तना धीम तना धीम तना धीम तना। तो मैं इसको रख रहा हूँ पॉकेट में, बाई चांस भूल ना जाए विनर कौन है, ठीक है? अब मैं निकालता हूँ फिर से लकी ड्रॉ। अब मैं लकी ड्रॉ निकालूंगा तो दूसरी चिट मेरे माथे पे चिपक जाएगी। तो इस बार वील डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, आई वोंट शो लकी ड्रॉ लाइक दिस, आई विल पुट इट ऑन माय फोरहेड and I'll come like this, and then you'll see. Oh, okay. Are you ready? But I won't do any cheating. I'll take out the chit in front of you. Okay. Now here we go. So here we are back to the bowl. देखते हैं कौन है लकी विनर। आज मैं किसी का लक, मैं अपना लक तो बन नहीं पाया, किसी और का लक बन रहा हूँ। तो ये मैंने हाथ डाला और मैंने निकाली चिट। चिट निकल गई है, चिट निकल गई है, बट अभी नहीं आएगी है। अब ऐसा होगा कि अब विनर अनाउंस, अब ये लकी ड्रॉ विनर है। अब मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, आप बताओ विनर कौन है, लकी ड्रॉ विनर। कमेंट्स में टाइप करिए, कमेंट्स में कौन है, टाइप इन द कमेंट्स, हु इज द लकी ड्रॉ विनर। टाइप 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 टाइप, लाइक लाइक लाइक। कहाँ गए दोस्तों, इतने सारे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट करने वाले दोस्त कहाँ गए? देखो मेरा कैमरा इतना अच्छा नहीं कि आप देख पाओ कौन है लकी विनर। कहाँ गए तुम? मेरे को गुस्सा मत दिलाओ, गुस्सा मत दिलाओ, जल्दी से आओ और बताओ कौन है लकी विनर। 166, ये 2 है, 166, गुड। तो मैं चिट निकाल देता हूँ और रख लेता हूँ इसको पॉकेट में। थैंक यू सो मच, सच नाइस पीपल, सच नाइस पीपल, थैंक यू सो मच। अब एक और लकी ड्रॉ विनर है जो है एंट्री नंबर 166। अगर किसी को पता है हु इज दैट लकी विनर 166, प्लीज टेल अस। एंड इफ लकी एंट्री नंबर 166 is online, is listening to us, please comment so that we know who you are and so that we could congratulate you. Now we are here to announce the third Facebook star, and the winner of third Facebook star is entry number 140, and the name is Josh Marcus from Philippines. International love. So Josh Marcus, are you there? Are you watching this? You have been the third Facebook star, and let me tell you more about Josh Marcus. He's a grade 9 student who is so much passionate about dance, and he has got 1106 likes, 62 shares, 3216 reach, and 2.7k views. So please congratulate Josh Marcus from Philippines, Manila. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Now we are here to announce the third Instagram star. And the name of the third Instagram star is Naval Nizar from Kerala, India, a cute 5-year-old dancer. Naval Nizar from Kerala. Is Naval there? हो विदेशी विनर, जी हाँ, हम इंटरनेशनल लोग हैं, सिर्फ भारत तक नहीं सीमित हैं, हम हैं इंटरनेशनल, ये। तो या नवल निजार फ्रॉम केरला, इंडिया, a 5-year-old cute dancer who has got 563 likes. So if Naval is here, good. If not, please tell Naval ki you are the Insta star. And I hope you guys are enjoying till now, because now the finale performance is about to come, and the person whom I'm about to call is a sure shot celebrity. you would have definitely watched him on TV, I'm sure. If you would have watched Dance India Dance or India's Got Talent, this guy has participated in Dance India Dance. He has come on India's Got Talent. He has also participated in Delhi's Date with Democracy. He has also won the title of Mr. Pahal in Hansaraj College. He also runs his own dance school for people with Down syndrome and autism and teaches them for free. He also works with special schools and helps as a special healer for them for free. He is none other than the passionate dancer who has done more than 150 shows across the nation, and his name is Abhinav Chaudhary. So, ladies and gentlemen, please clap for our dancer for the night for the amazing performance by Abhinav Chaudhary. Abhinav, welcome. Hi. We are so happy to have you here. So, shall I leave the screen up to you? You'll dance it out. So, the stage and the screen is all yours. See you. All the best.
चलो
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. So, Avinav, hi. Can you do one thing? It was amazing. Thank you so much. It was wonderful performance. I was dancing backstage while watching you.
Thank you, sir.
I was dancing backstage watching you. Is there some network issue with? Can you hear me? You can hear me, right?
Yeah, he can hear you. Yeah, please.
Okay, okay. So I have one request. If he could play the music again for 15 seconds and we could dance together.
Sure, sure. Yes, that can be done. Yeah.
Okay,
Just
so
give us
do
a
it. Then
moment.
I'll also dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So play the music. Let me also dance.
Music बजा रहे. Yeah, just give us a moment. Yeah, please. We are.
Yeah, no
getting ready for
worries.
this.
Take it, take it. Yeah, I'm all set to dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Done, done. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Avinav. Thank you so much for being here, performing with us. You dear celebrity. See you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Oh, yes. Hi, I hope you were liking the dance. I also tried some movements, but I think now because of dance and everything, I'm sweating like anything, but it's so much fun. I don't feel hot at all. It is so much fun engaging with you, talking with you, performances, storytelling, singing. My God, I wish it could just go on forever. But every good thing has to come to an end. But don't worry, this is not my closing script. Okay, I just said that. So now, so now it's the time to announce the consolation prizes. So, are you ready for the same? Are you excited? Consolation prizes we have three consolation prizes to announce. Three. So, I want some likes. I want some comments. I want something out here so that I know that you are connected to us. You are connected to us and you are excited to know the consolation winners. I am excited to announce. Aren't you excited to listen to it? And dear participants, where are you? You don't know, out of all of you, only we have this consolation prizes. But none of you is commenting. Very bad, very bad. Awaiting. Ah, nice. Now I got some positive response. So, yes, The first consolation prize goes to entry number 114, which is entry number 114, and the name is Shri Lakshmi KU from Kerala. She's 20 years old and she did Rajasthani folk dance with fire matka. Oh my god, folk dance, Rajasthani folk dance plus matka. My god, she is really a talented lady. So Shri Lakshmi KU, can we have you on board? If you are there, can you please comment? Can you please tell us that you are there so that we could congratulate you? Sri Lakshmi, where are you? Sri Lakshmi. Oh yes, we got her. Sri Lakshmi Upendran is here. Please, 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 please. Congratulate her. Congratulate her. Oh yes, yeah. I'm so glad that you are here. You're watching us. Thank you so much, Sri Lakshmi, for doing such an amazing job doing Rajasthani folk with fire matka. My God, did you get scared? Fire matka. See, normal matka was still okay if it could fall, but fire matka, I'm sure. So people say na that some dancers come and set the stage on fire. You actually do it. You actually set the stage on fire. So thank you so much and congratulations. And you have won some good prize, which will be told to you later on. And yes, again, congratulations and thank you for people congratulating her. Very nice. Very nice to have such audience. And congratulations once again, Sri Lakshmi. Now we have the second consolation prize to announce. It's entry number 170. And the name is Vaishnavi Kumari. And she's 9 years of age from Delhi. And she did yoga. And she did such kind of yoga that she won the consolation prize. So Vaishnavi Kumari, 9 years old, girl from Delhi, are you there online just like Sri Lakshmi, so that we know that who is the winner of the consolation prize? Dear Vaishnavi, where are you? Can you tell? And if Vaishnavi is there by any other, आप एक योग करके दिखाओ. मैं योग करके दिखाऊंगा. हाँ, एक कर सकता हूं मैं शायद. मेरे ख्याल से सूर्य नमस्कार होता है. अब मैं ट्राई करूंगा. देखो, मारना मत कमेंट्स में से निकल के कि यार ये क्या करा तूने. ओके. अच्छा, यू आर वैष्णवी. नमस्ते इंडिया. यू आर वैष्णवी. से यस. ओहो, वैष्णवी. वैष्णवी, क्या बात है वैष्णवी. ठीक है, अभी मैं करने की कोशिश करता हूँ सूर्य नमस्कार. और अगर मैं नहीं गलत करा तो मुझे बता देना, मारना मत. ठीक है, शायद पता नहीं ऐसे होता है. रुको, मैं थोड़ा सा ना इसको ऐसे करते हैं. हाँ, थोड़ा दिख रहा हूं मैं. हाँ, ऐसे करते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो मैं एक और कर देता हूँ. आई कैन डू अनुलोम विलोम ऑल्सो. समरसॉल्ट. एक सेकेंड. वो मैंने कर ली थी, वो कैमरे में नहीं आया. मैंने अभी समरसॉल्ट करी, वो कैमरे में नहीं आया. सो नॉट माय फॉल्ट. कैमरे ने पूरा नहीं कवर करा. भारत गौतम, यू आर वेरी नॉटी. ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव. ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी हैज कांग्रेचुलेटेड. ये नमस्कार है सर सूर्य के बिना. आई लाइक इट, आई लाइक इट. तो ठीक है, नमस्कार कर दिया. सुबह करूंगा तो सूर्य नमस्कार हो जाएगा. वेरी सिंपल, राइट वैष्णवी. और तुमने नाम तो बढ़िया रख रखा है, नमस्ते इंडिया. और तुम्हारे नाम के हिसाब से मैंने योग कर दिया. अब मत कहना कुछ गलत किया है. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, अगला कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइज अनाउंस करते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइज गोज टू एंट्री नंबर 217. एंड द नेम इज Vanya Malhotra. She's 8 years old from Gurgaon, Haryana, and she told a story and did acting of a grandmother. How cute. I've seen her. Yes, I've seen her talent. So Vanya Malhotra, Dadi Amma ji, kahan ho? Vanya Malhotra, Vanya Malhotra, are you here? You have got the consolation prize, and the prize will be declared to you soon. What prize you have got, huh? Very excited for the prize, but we won't tell it publicly. We'll tell you. Congratulations. So we are all done with the consolation prizes. Now it's the time. Now it's the time to announce. I think Surbi Malhotra belongs to Vanya Malhotra. क्या नहीं देखा भरत तुमने? ओह वन्या मल्होत्रा, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन दादी अम्मा जी, नमस्ते नमस्ते। बड़ी अच्छी एक्टिंग शैक्टिंग कर लेते हो आप, हाँ? ऐसी कर रहे होगे ना, है ना? Okay, so congratulations Vanya Malhotra, thank you for commenting here and being here. Yeah, we saw you. So Vanya Malhotra, I hope you have shared this live stream on your page also, so that your colleagues, your friends, your everybody and everybody knows that yes, you won this. Okay, so इसको जल्दी से शेयर करो, बाकियों को भी तो दिखाओ कि आप जीते हो. So now it's the time for me to call upon the people who will be announcing the first and second runner-up. So can I do that now? Can I do that? Oh yes. I hope you have met these guys before. So now I am about to call Akshay Tyagi and Shiba Khan live on screen. They will be talking to you and telling you the first and second runner up. So first I'll show you Akshay's face, then I'll show you Shiba's face, and you will continue seeing my face. And Akshay is there. Hi Akshay, welcome back. Shiva is also here. Hi Shiva, welcome back. So it's over to you. Go ahead. I'm Mom. Um, Akshay, I think you're not audible. Can you hear me?
Hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Now your voice is coming. Yeah.
Okay. So before announcing the result,
Are you in the third floor?
Sorry, no, I'm not on the third floor. So before announcing the result, on behalf of two of us, Shiba and myself, I would like to first congratulate all the participants who had given their entries for this season of Talent Years and had shown immense talent of theirs, because we have had a tough time and we were extremely happy that amidst these tough times, when none of us have an idea on what to do and how to deal with this pandemic, but these beautiful people have made the courage to shoot their videos and had shown immense talent and created a roadmap for so many of others to just believe in yourself and explore with your own talents. And I think there is so much for each one of us to learn from all of these participants, especially in these tough times, that nobody can actually keep your talent unexplored. It is you have to create your own wings. And Talentiers is one platform which has given people wings through online medium at the right time. So I just wish all the participants who had shared their entries this year a very, very congratulations to each one of you. We are really honored to have got this opportunity to judge, although we believe that we tried our best in ranking all the entries with all our heart and above with experiences. But I'm sure some might feel disappointed, some might feel very happy because they'll have some position in the scorecards. But I would just like to tell each one of you before sharing the result and believe in yourself. You have to create your own wings. You all have your own worth. Just explore your own talents. You can only create barriers for yourself, and you are the only one who can also take away and can write another chapter in the history. So I would again like to congratulate each one of you and would like Shiba as well if he wants to add anything before announcing the second runner-up.
Yeah, sure. So, hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Yeah, actually, it's an honor part of this great initiative, and the work Simran has been doing is incredible. Like, it was really working with Team Talented, and just to say, you said just now, like, it was not really easy task to choose winners, but we tried, like, to be fair with each entry, to see that if they had followed the rules or not, and we can announce the runner. So, Akshay, you go ahead first.
Shall I announce the second runner-up now? Okay.
Yes.
So before announcing it, I am like very nervous because of course the onus is on three of us who had actually judged all of these participants. But I am extremely happy and extremely proud to share with all of you that we have got multiple array of entries from across the country, and not just country, but in fact across.
Akshay got hanged.
The world. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah, now it's
And this will continue for years and years. So I would like to now announce the second runner-up, and the second runner-up is from West Bengal, a very talented singer, 26-year-old. Any guesses? Okay, so the second runner-up is Bhumika Barman Mukherjee.
Oh, congratulations, Bhumika Barman. Are you there?
Very
Bhumika, are you there somewhere?
Bhumika, we were extremely in awe and surprised to hear your beautiful voice, and we are just very happy to see you making it to the top 3 spot in the Talentiers contest.
So I think we all can clap for her.
Yeah, sure.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Bhumika.
Congratulations, Bhumika. Congratulations and celebrations. So, Simran.
Is it because of me? I'll just.
okay, so now let's not delay it further. It's time to announce our first runner-up of Talentiers. And who will it be?
Who will it be? Me, Abhishek.
Not you.
Any guesses?
Yeah. You want to guess, Abhishek?
Anybody who can cook good? 76, random. 76. Entry number 76.
No.
No.
Okay, so it's none other than Shruti Maharana from Odisha. A big congrats to Shruti. Shruti deserved this.
Shruti, can we have the complete? Shruti's complete name is?
Odisha.
Maharana.
Shruti Maharana. Congratulations, Shruti Maharana. If you're there watching us, please comment. Everybody, congratulations, Maharana.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and celebrations. The night is yours. Enjoy. So, over to Simran and Sudhanshu. Please, the screen is yours, guys.
So Sudhanshu, you go on.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants and all the winners. So we were really confused that what to choose, because there were so many talented people, so many people that are showcasing their talent in unique ways. So it was a good time watching them all, and Uh, really, really, it was amazing. So over to you, Simran.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Abhishek. I would like to appreciate you first because you're
Thank you.
hosting the show really, really well. My mom
Thank
is,
you.
appreciating you a lot. She wanted me to
Thank
give
you,
you this
auntie.
message.
Oh,
So,
thank
yeah.
you,
And
Miss
thank you
Rimi
so
Chawla.
much. Yeah.
So
Yeah, so thank you so much, Akshay and Shiva, for announcing second runner up and first runner up. It was,
yes,
of course, the hard time, and for giving us giving those talents of for around 1 month. We have been judging those talents for more than a month. So thank you so much, and we have Dr. Sameer Mansoori here as well, who is
yes,
beauty expert. He does treatments for celebrities like John Abraham, Subhash Ghai, um, to name a few, Amisha Patel, Priyanka Chopra. So I'm really proud to be connected with him. And we welcome you, sir. We had already welcomed you, but we welcome you again for being here with us.
Mm,
And we are really privileged to have you here. Your presence in this grand finale night has made it more special for us. And I just want to tell you guys one thing, that he is the one who inspires me a lot. And the I started this Talentiers platform because by getting inspired from him, because he organized Princess India 2016-17, which was the beauty pageant for visually impaired girls. And I got that platform, and my all dreams actually got fulfilled. They all came true. So going with that thought, I felt like that there are more people in this world who are in search in front of such platforms. So it is just a small initiative to start it off and give this online platform to all the talented people out there. So thank you so much, all the participants, and I congratulate you all, Shruti Maharana, Bhumika Barman Mukherjee, and and I would also like to thank Sudhanshu Khurana for being with me throughout and helping. We have
no,
been working day and night, so thank you so much. And
thanks to
also,
you.
now I would just want Dr. Sameer Mansoori to announce the winner of Talents Unmasked. So over to you, sir. Thank you so much for being here, and you can go on.
Thank you, Simran.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is Dr. Samir Mansoori. And first of all, I would like to thank our Princess India, Miss Simran Chola, to invite me in this program.
Thank you, sir.
Simran, thank you.
Sir, it's a
Um,
pleasure to have you here.
thank you so much. Actually, we have organized Princess India like Miss India in 2016-17. So finale was in 2017, 8th March, on 8th March, International Women's Day it is. It was in Mumbai, the club. It is located in DN Nagar. So actually, Simran was elected Princess India in that program. So actually, I feel proud for her.
Thank you,
And
sir.
inshallah, we are organizing Princess World in Dubai,
Yeah,
maybe
I'm
next
so
year
excited
because
for that.
Wow.
Yes, we all are
so
excited.
actually, yeah, so we'll elect two participants from every country and they will perform in Dubai. And inshallah, my plan is will organize this program every year in different
Wow.
countries.
Wow.
Wow.
So
That's really grateful.
So actually already website is ready, princessworldevents.com. Princessworldevents.com, actually any visual impaired girl can fill forms. So it is actually open now. So सिमरन
Yeah.
सबको बोलो कि भाई जो है ना
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So
Um,
every person who is watching this live stream and you are associated with any visually impaired girl, please inform them, because this is actually a dream coming true program and the live example of it. So I really want other people also to participate. So thank you so much, sir, for organizing such events and making every girl's dreams come true. Thank you so much.
I think we can clap for sir also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, of course. I'm holding my phone in my hand.
and you can all follow me on my Instagram account, editpersonalcare_official. So
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
if
you
you
can
have
ask
any
for
query,
any help. You can ask for any beauty tips, and he's a stress healer.
Stress
So if
healer
you have
also, yeah.
any, yeah, so you have any problem related to stress, or you want any advice from sir, he's always available and he helps a lot. So thank you so much for that, sir. And people will contact you for sure who are stressed out. So you can follow him on Instagram and Facebook, editpersonalcare_official. Yeah, sir, you can go on.
so now the time is to announce winner of this Talentious Unmasked program. So મારે કહેવું પડે કે ભાઈ કોણ હશે આ છોકરી જે actually I am also Gujarati from Gujarat and actually this is coincident actually. Winner is also from Gujarat.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
We are excited to
So
hear
guess
the name.
who should be the winner of this program?
Guess. People, anyone
Guess,
in the
guess.
comments?
Somebody who
People
eats
can comment.
papda.
She is Diya Rajesh Chauhan.
Oh,
Wow.
She is Diya Rajesh Chauhan. Congratulations, Diya. હું પણ
congratulations.
અમદાવાદનો છું, અમદાવાદનો ગુજરાતી. મને બહુ આનંદ થયો તને કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન કહેતા, કારણ કે ગુજરાતનું ગૌરવ, પ્રાઉડ ઓફ ગુજરાત.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Yay.
सिमरन, तुम जरा हिंदी में तो जरा जो उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट तो करो. हम गुजराती में कर रहे हैं, तुम हिंदी में करो.
Congratulations, Diya. You have done so well. To just tell all the viewers out there, she danced on nails, and that was something actually
so
very,
beautiful,
very
yeah.
unique.
Yes.
Yeah, Shiva, you were saying something.
No, I'm
But
saying
it was risky too.
Yeah. So it was amazing. Many heartiest congratulations to all the winners. And thank you so much, sir, for being with us and making this grand finale night even more
And actually,
special.
I also congratulate all the participants and all the winners. And
Yeah.
I want to say one thing. Actually, in this pandemic situation, don't be stressed, don't be depressed.
Yes.
Because life's a priceless gift given by the God. So actually every bloom has a doom.
Yeah.
अब जब
Right.
डिजास्टर आया है तो इंशाल्लाह हैप्पीनेस डेफिनेटली विल कम.
Sure.
Sure.
Of course.
So be always happy, be always confident, and don't take any type of stress.
Done, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you so
And
much for the message, sir. Yeah.
Once again, Simran, I'm thankful to you to invite me in this program.
Thank you so much.
Thanks
sir.
a lot. Thanks a lot, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
All the
sir.
best. Wish you all the best.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you to all of you. Thank you, Dr. Sameer Mansoori. Thank you, Sudhanshu. Thank you, Simran. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you so much, Akshay. Thank you so much for believing in me and having me here as the host for tonight. I'm so happy.
You did a really great job. So really proud of you, and thank you so much for this for hosting this
Thank
show.
you.
And
Thank you. I'm
I
happy.
think we can close off. Yeah.
Yeah. So before
Yeah,
Shiva.
same here, Akshay, Shiva. The 1 month
Yeah.
that we spent together.
Yeah. It
Yeah,
was
same,
truly
and
amazing.
2 days that we spent together.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
that too.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is Talentiers team signing off after Talents Unmasked Season 3 Grand Finale. But stay tuned. Talents Unmasked Season 4 is coming soon for more talent, more fun, more performances, and a host like
Yes.
me. So,
Yes.
see you. This is Abhishek Kamboj signing off with everybody else. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.